Owner tractor for Mr. Ray's C. His son Cody's bringing it in, and we're going to unload it here and then have a little conversation with Cody about what's going on. See you in a minute. Pull straight ahead a little bit, Cody, so I can get the tractor behind it. Guys don't mind being in the video, do you?
stuff off of it.
Did it have any coolant in it at all?
It did. No, sir. It just all gunked up. Where you want the grill and the new tires for the front?
Well, let's put the tires in the shop. If the grill can go just right shape. Anyway, yeah. What about this manifold? Y'all manifold pretty rough. I can't see, but it's alright. Forget it. Y'all got a lot of parts here, I mean, that you can keep,
Yes, sir.
put up in the shop somewhere.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, that's what Dad said. We're going to do whatever you don't use. We'll just take it back and use it for parts if we need it.
Yeah, those wheels are a whole lot better.
Oh yeah. He said off the pictures he thought it was more bent up. I've only seen really 2 spots that really need to. I think it was off. This side. I know this side is like right here. It's not bad. It's like that right there. It's just
No, you won't.
that ain't nothing.
You won't even bother. Yeah, I ordered 2 brand new ones the other day for the front.
Dad said those are a little different.
Those are different wheels. They won't work on that tractor unless I change front end.
Because he said those can be going to B shape to.
Yeah. It's all right.
Yes, sir. I told Dad I need to go look at what you did so far.
Well, you come on, let's go see.
Go
Yeah,
back.
I got this. Waiting on the clutch. It's easier to install a throwout bearing with this all standing up like this. I bought new grommets for this. The old ones I took out, after I took them out, they didn't look bad, but this here, if it ever fails on you, you got to split the tractor and change it. There's no other way. And that's a lot of work for nothing. This is $15, $20 right here. But anyway, I got this all painted. Got new seals everywhere. On the brake drums, had to buy another brake drum. Me, I was thinking, had 2 of them out there on that old 8 the same. But anyway, that's that. This here. I've got some parts in here in my soon-to-be one of these days bathrooms. Front cover for the engine. Valve cover, all that. I got some of that done, painted. My weather hadn't been cooperating with me. You know, got to keep the humidity down.
Yes, sir.
Get that bell housing put on and move that support forward. And then I'm gonna, till I find out what we're gonna do about the engine, but I'm gonna try to free that engine up out there.
That's what I was telling him earlier. If you could get that one.
I got plenty of Marvel Mystery oil. Your dad poured in y'all's and I poured some in it. I saved it all. So I'm gonna let it soak, see if I can get it freed up. We may have a better engine, may not. The last time I talked to Wichita Falls, they said that they were still trying to soak it, get it. And stuff. So anyway, it's gonna come to life one day. And I got to rebuild it. Touch control, it was leaking oil everywhere before I took it apart. I washed it all down. It was caked up with mud and grease for it. Been there forever. And I've got to rebuild this oil pump over here. This is rocking all the stuff off of the y'all engine. This was, when I pulled it out, this was caked up. This is mud. Mud on it. And there was no oil or nothing in the air filter. Somebody been running it in the dust when they got the filter in. You know. But anyway, I got these cleaned up. I got new seals and stuff for this governor. This is your governor here and your accessory drive for your distributor. I got new seals and all this, new spraying and everything. We don't need to put this on there and have it start leaking oil, running everything. Because this is another thing that's difficult. You got to take tractor apart pretty much. And they sell new gears and everything for oil pumps. So I'll probably be able to, if these aren't any good, excuse me, any good, or show where I get new gears at all. But I had it in the wash rat over there and I turned it and it pumped off. It pumped varsa off. If it do that, it pump oil. Anyway, here it is. I broke this when I was pulling it off. My puller, I built a puller so they ain't over on the floor. When it come off, man, when it come off and I couldn't catch it and it hit the floor. So, anyhow,
Well,
this is where we stand.
so I'll let you get back to it.
Alright, what we're gonna do here, Cody Duncan, Ray's son, brought me a donor tractor for his project, for his C. And he said the engine was locked up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this hood off, pour some oil in the cylinders, pour some more mystery oil in the cylinders, then drain the oil, see what comes out of the pan, if anything at all. And so we'll see what we got when we go from there. But it's got a lot of good parts on it. Gonna be able to use a lot of good parts off of this thing. So it'll come out right. Like and share.